This problem might look like a total mess at first glance, but with just one clever trick, it becomes amazingly simple. We are given this big, intimidating expression involving the numbers 50, 51, 52, and 53, all multiplied together inside a square root. And this oddly, one added at the end. Without a calculator, it seems almost impossible to simplify, right? But watch closely. This wild math trick transforms it into something truly amazing. Before we begin, let's assume this 50 is letter x. That means 51 becomes x plus 1, 52 becomes x plus 2, and 53 becomes x plus 3. Thus our original expression becomes the square root of x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. And this one at the end. Now here comes the crazy part. Let's group these two terms x and x plus 3 together and multiply them. So we get x times x plus 3, which equals x squared plus 3x. Now multiply this remaining two terms, x plus 1 and x plus 2, together. So x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 1 times x is x. 1 times 2 is 2. Adding all of that together, we get x squared plus 3x plus 2. So far, we now have two parts. One is x squared plus 3x. The other is x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now to make it easier, let's introduce a new variable. Let's call this x squared plus 3x equal to y. That means our expression now becomes the square root of y times y plus 2 and plus 1. Now multiply y with y plus 2, we get y times y is y squared, and y times 2 is 2y. So this gives us y squared plus 2y. Wait a second, did you notice something? Y squared plus 2y plus 1 is a perfect square. It is equal to the square of y plus 1. So now this entire expression becomes the square root of y plus 1 squared, which is simply y plus 1. Let's go back and reverse the substitution. We said that y was x squared plus 3x, so now y plus 1 becomes x squared plus 3, x plus 1. Finally, substitute back the value of x as 50. We get 50 squared is 2,500. 3 times 50 is 150. And add one more to this. Adding all of those together, we have 2,500 plus 150 plus 1 is 2,651. And that is our final answer. Isn't this magic of math? A problem that seemed complicated and overwhelming at first becomes surprisingly elegant and simple with just one smart substitution trick. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more brain-teasing math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.